everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to block someone on TikTok. So keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your TikTok app. Then go to the profile of the person that you wanna block. Click on the arrow icon in the top right corner. Here you can see the block option, tap on it. And if you're sure, click on the block option once again. And that is how you can block someone on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.